see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning guys. Kagabi hindi ko na yata na-close yung vlog kasi na-flat na tong ating battery. But anyway, today is another day. Mag-winery tayo. Alas 12 daw yung booking. I'm not sure, but yeah. Before 12 dapat nandun na kami. Ano pa lang naman 9. And eto, nabili ko to sa Shein. Yung garter siya guys. Pag yung ganito yung suot nyo, tapos gusto yung kaluskusin and para hindi siya magbaba. Eto. So yan. Nagamit na natin. Well, nagamit ko na ito nung mga nakaraan din. But ngayon ko lang sa inyo napakita. So itatago lang natin siya. So malamig. May dala ko dyan na shorts din sana. Tapos top para dun sa shorts. Kaso nga malamig. So nag-change na lang tayo. Buti na dala ko to. And yung jeans ulit. Ito ng current favorite kong jeans. Yung bag. Hi, look. Come here. Show your outfit to the guys. You look so pogi. Oh my God. So pogi naman ang Arlo boy. Wow.
Why do you know I just do have a shower?
Oh yeah, Ayla and Holly is having a shower together. It's a girl thing, okay? They just want to have a shower together, Baba. And look at you, you're so pogi.
What?
Yeah, look. Show your Philippine. Is it Philippines? Yeah, Philippine stuff. That's very nice. Ina-adjust ko lang siya. So yun, adjustable siya guys. So hinihigpitan ko lang. Ayos na si Arlo dong. Yan lang. Tapos ilagay nyo sa design yung length ng inyong, medyo masikip. So, luwagan ko. Ayoko yung masikip. Wait lang, ayusin. Ready na rin pala si Holly guys. And yung suit niya yung nabili natin sa Zara kahapon. Pinalitan niya lang yung inner. Mas gusto niya to kaysa yung kasama nito. Si Arla busy din dun siya. Twinning kaming dalawa. Ni Holly. Okay. Mas ready? Let me see. Yan siya. Mas mapula pang lips siya kaysa akin. Okay. Kagabi, windy. Grabe yung pagka-windy. Kagabi, ready na kami guys. Hinihintay lang namin yung oras. Anong shades kaya yung gamitin natin? Ano maganda ba? Ito? Or ito? Itong transparent na lang.
Ganda din yan.
Mas masikip din ito.
Ayaw na lang.
Ito na lang, yung mas masakip to.
Bakit? Maluwag ko?
O hindi ko na paigpitan.
Yung luwag ko.
Ganyan yan.
Maluwag sa akin.
Oo, sige. Ito,
Masakit?
masikip.
Ay, ito maganda. Uy, maganda.
Kaya nga, pwede siyang pang night. Thank you. Yeah, that one. And then the little one.
Kasi yung masikip din.
Oo.
Gentle Monster to?
Oo.
Maganda.
Maganda siya kasi pwede siyang pang night. Pag ano ka sa light.
Yeah, kahit madilim.
Oo, maganda siya. Pwede siyang pang gabi din kasi. Indoor ano siya, shade.
Pwede siya indoor. Yeah.
Oo.
Ang ganda
Ganda
nga.
siya, no? Tsaka masikip.
Yan lang yung kulay?
Merong blue, may green.
Ang ganda yun.
Ito, parang ano lang.
Yeah, ito
Masikip. Ito maluwag. Kailangan niya ito.
Paano? Pa-adjust mo?
Pa-adjust. Alam mo ang ginagawa ng pag-adjust? Mini-melt to. Tapos binibigyan. Una kasi yung una ko din, pina-adjust ko sa kanila. May machine sila din na ginaganon. Tapos ginaganon. Wala yung, akala ko screw.
Yeah.
Hindi, parang may mini-melt nila. Maganda.
Kasi
Maluwag
masikip.
yan, maluwag. Iyan, i-melt nila ito. Tapos i-bend nila pag ganyan.
Ito na naman. Ikaw nakabundo sa akin ng Gentle Monster na una eh.
Ito maganda.
Yeah, maganda. Ito kasi kasya sa akin.
Ang gusto kong original niyan ay yung isa.
Kasi yung mas maganda. O dito tayo sa vlog mo.
Pareho. Depende kasi. Yan, maganda kasi.
Yan. Ito mas
Ito maganda, super
malaki
masikip.
pero
Masikip.
hindi mas, masikip.
Tsaka tama lang
Ano,
yung
may
laki niya.
sizing ba to?
Wala ata. Kasi pagsukat ko dun sa Gentle Monster, pag maluwag,
Lilit.
nila.
Lilit.
Yeah, thank you. Sililit yan, sililit. Ang ganda yan. Kasi pala siya indoor.
Wala na, ubos na yun.
Sililit pala to, guys. Tapos eto si Giselle. Tulad to kay Ann, pero yung kay Ann Curtis is yung black. Yung kinuha ko yung parang sila dito eh. Na basta may black, tapos eto. Si Giselle naman to. Maganda to si Giselle. Pero ito kasi, maganda rin to pag gloomy. Maganda to pag hindi maaraw.
You wanna die? I wouldn't want to.
Guys,
Not like that.
nasa kanya pala kayo, papunta na tayo sa winery. Hi, Baba. I like your top. I like your polo. It was mommy. Buti na lang, dinala ko to. And may nakita tayong parang similar kay Holly. Na sa
Don't do it.
Ang ganda ng view kanina. Huli ko nang huli na natin nakuha yung camera. Oh! Para tayo nasa roller coaster, Papa. Na tayo. Doon na sila. And dito meron din naka-engrave na The Lane Vineyard. Go up! Go to Ate Holly!
Oh, bedtime. I'm sorry. It's still morning. Look at that.
You look nice, Dong, with your outfit, Dong. You look so nice with this. Ang gwapo naman ng Dong namin. Para kang Dong. Saan ka na galing, B? Nalibot mo na. Ah. Dito, ate.
Go this way.
Ang ganda. Yeah, it is pretty here. That's nice.
Tell me what to.
Oh, sorry. What is it? This that?
Two.
Two.
Yeah.
I was a must.
Do you want to put this on? So I don't have to carry it? Yeah.
Is that this one's out? Yes, correct.
We got a wine.
Okay na.
Oh, no, sorry. Ala can do. Ala.
Ate Ayla.
I don't trust you. No, I don't trust you.
It's like, wait, baby. Help me this one now.
You carry
Okay,
this one.
carry this one
You
so I
carry
can
this
carry
one.
something. Okay. Give me the other one basket then.
That's what I can do both.
Ah, okay. Okay, thank you, Arlo.
Ah, yeah, we did always. I'll grab you a little mat. Excellent.
Are you alright with the ate? Do you want me to carry that one? You want me to carry? Or you're right? Okay, thanks, ate.
I think just one.
Heidi. Go there, ate. Arlo, go there, Arlo, with ate. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Good job. Oh, yeah, later. Nice.
Now,
Close that one later.
I'm hungry.
Ah, yeah. I'll bring this ate.
You put your jacket on, Isla?
Yeah, you want jacket?
I've been this.
No, you carry that one down.
But this one's so heavy.
It's not heavy. It's not.
You're
No.
strong.
You're strong. You're a big boy. Like Kuya Zach.
I don't know yet.
Ah, okay.
See? So easy.
Hold it by the hand.
Maganda kung hindi windy, no? Hoy, Dong. Careful, Dong. Hey, guys. Oh, pillows.
I think the 191, that one.
Malayo yung nilakaran namin.
Yeah, nag-drive.
Nag-drive sila, kami nila. Masidik. Hindi na sila makatiis.
Yeah, of course.
Just put your... Oh, nice.
Dito na kami sa the
Hi.
cottage.
Dika.
I'm eating this with
Yan,
Dad.
no? Siguro may nakatil... May, baka... May car? Baka nag, check-in, maybe?
Grabe naman, check-in sila dito tapos tayo pinapiknik dito. Tingnan mo na yung dami. Isa pa lang to ha. Meron pang isa doon.
Mama, shut up.
Ang alala, gutom tayo.
Don't give it to Indy ha. Indy cannot have this one, okay? Good listening.
Okay, I'll taste. Thank you. Is it kasama tong?
Oh,
Alma?
yeah.
Let me taste it.
Nice.
Thanks, mate.
Mm.
You love nuts, Alo?
Yeah.
Careful, Didi.
Must be it.
This is the best party ever.
Don't open that one yet, love.
Mom,
This is the best party ever. May party pala tayo, hindi ako na-inform.
This is the best party ever.
Yo, happy birthday, Arlo! Happy birthday! Yeah. Your birthday soon. Happy birthday. Doing mo si D. Ang ngiti ni D.
Dami na tayo.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ben.
Thank you, Mama.
Daddy.
I think
Daddy.
I think these are for the one.
Is that a white kish?
Ano yan? Kish kish.
Ito yung kids meal.
May nakita ko, madami silang masarap na
Sa restaurant.
Sa restaurant yun.
Ang picnic, ito lang talaga yung
option nila.
That's good. Yeah, that's good, guys.
Oh,
Keep eating.
Oh, yes, Mom. Celery and this.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go for it.
It's got dip in it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, this one here. Oh, nice. Looks like hummus.
Yeah. Smells good too.
Oh, what's that?
Parang sweet. Dessert.
You can take all
Sucks
this.
like the calamata.
Oh, you can keep the jars.
Yeah. I think we can take this home.
Yeah, we can if we
Yeah.
don't finish it.
So just don't. We just have to return the basket.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the hampers. We have to.
This is actually my favorite.
Is it your favorite?
So yeah, but this is definitely my favorite. Mommy, put this in my bag. Put this in my lunchbox.
Okay.
Yeah, which one?
Put it in my lunchbox. And this.
Oh no, we can't put
Oi.
nuts in your lunchbox.
I
now.
can't hear Indy. She's so busy.
Mom,
Yes.
this and this.
So good. I can smell something really good.
It's the yummy thing.
Oh, sparkling water.
How's Indy, Ate Holly?
Yeah.
She wants water too.
My turn.
Where is the glass?
You just use a knife to cut the cheese. Just you're gonna.
Cheers.
Oh,
Oh,
cheers!
you're so thirsty,
Cheers,
ah.
boys!
Cheers, Ollie.
Cheers daw, Holly.
That wasn't even sparkling.
Oh, you want a cheers too? Okay, cheers. That's
cheese
wine,
ha. There's
Didi.
cheese here. This is the brie.
Batang
Ang
ina
sarap ng
talaga.
this is good.
Yeah?
Alone, as in.
Okay. No, Isla likes it too.
Yeah, you like, it's nice, no? Ate?
Yeah.
You should try some blue cheese.
Very good.
Very nice and peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, don't do that, day. I have water for you, my love.
There's one there,
No.
next to the winery. The
There
umbrella.
you go.
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
gum
Yeah.
tree yun.
Yeah. So may mga pangalan sila.
Yeah, there's gum tree 1, gum tree 2.
This one, what do you call this
Cottage,
one?
the cottage, yeah.
The best one.
Love it.
Aw,
Yeah, that's good.
thanks,
Me
baby.
too.
Oh, that's good.
And me.
Aw.
I love it. Thanks.
This is the best party ever.
You like fig, Dan?
This
Lovely.
is the best
Yeah.
Valentine's
have not opened
picnic
this one
ever.
That's
Yeah. Mom, this is the best Valentine's picnic ever.
Yeah, because this is supposed to be our Valentine's picnic.
Yeah, but it got cancelled because it was raining.
That's
That's right.
Goodness, Isla. So good.
You remember it,
Yeah. Just forget about Indy. This
I'm
one.
tired.
You tired already?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Planto. Oh. Ano
Meron
planto ka
ako.
dyan?
Nice.
I got serviettes as well.
I'm hungry.
So this is focaccia.
I'm hungry, Mama.
Oh,
You hungry?
that's butter.
I'm hungry, Mommy. I'm hungry, Mommy.
No, it's
No.
like dessert.
Okay.
Butter.
There's
I'm hungry,
Lee's
Mama.
butter.
I'm hungry,
Where?
Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Maybe this?
Maybe that. No.
What's
No,
happening?
just
Why am I right?
White bean and
Mine
truffle
literally
dip.
dried.
That sounds good. Which one's that?
maybe this one.
No, white bean and truffle.
Who do you reckon this is?
Maybe that.
I don't know butter.
I got
Yeah.
Maybe butter. Let's open one first. looks good man. I feel
For the
ko
bread.
sarap niyan.
Maybe
Yeah.
don't give it any all that bread may cut half up.
No, here. Oh, there's
Now
more,
it's
and then there's that. But yeah, we
You still
have
got
to
a big
finish
piece.
this first.
Disgusting.
Oh, that's yum.
One more bread?
Ikaw, kuha ka ng bread dyan, Manay.
Ayan,
Sarap
meron
ng
ako.
bread. Oh, you're such a good kid. You're just sitting there being a good kid.
Is this butter, Jane?
No, I don't think so.
Are you sitting there like a good kid?
It's like oil. Like oil and
Yummy.
some tuna. Yeah,
I don't know it.
like tuna or... Ano to da? Hindi siya butter.
Parang siya
tuna.
butter where there's...
It's like chicken with something.
Mm.
Walang butter dye.
Yeah, well, there is cultured rose leaf butter.
That's lemon slice.
Okay.
Maybe this is the butter.
There's marinated olives, obviously, that's it. Smoked almonds.
This is
Wagyu bresaola.
like a
Rose,
raspberry.
yeah, rose. So the rose.
maybe
the
Yeah,
that's
butter.
this one. Yeah.
Okay. Sige, I'll try
What's
that.
this one supposed to be?
There's mustard.
Could be
There's
mustard.
pork rillettes.
That could be mustard. You got there, hold it. That mustard colour.
Yeah. Leek and potato frittata. So that
Mommy,
must
some
be
more butter?
frittata.
Mom.
That one?
Fish
Or yan
butter.
yung
Mommy, do
kinakain
we have
namin.
any more of these cheese? Is this the butter?
Which one?
I
Which
mean,
cheese?
The cheese. That cheese is that?
Yeah, this one. This is this one.
No, the yellow one. Yeah, the yellow. The one that was there.
No, that was only from the kids one.
No.
This is quiche.
Is that meant cheese that came on that?
Um,
Before we went somewhere with animals as well. What was that then?
Yummy. She said yummy.
Somewhere in
Peter
Barossa.
Liman?
What was it?
Oh,
where we
okay.
saw the koalas?
You know what I'm.
Yeah, yeah. And have that little playground. Have a little
Yeah, we have.
playground.
Yeah.
I remember.
Was I there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old was that? Was the boys not there?
No, everyone's
I
there.
don't remember.
How old was I, Mum?
Yeah, so I'm very young, Baba.
Baba 6 months old? Baba me!
All done?
Baba me, Mum!
I don't think so. You were there, Baba.
Baba
Yeah.
me!
You were not around. You were.
Mum, please, why is that there?
Mommy's belly.
I don't want to steal, Mama.
Yeah. Is that good, bread? What's this?
Nice. It's refreshing. It's like salad. Like
Lentils.
lentils.
Lentils, yeah.
Mom, you are pregnant, Mama. Mommy,
I was pregnant.
if Bobby can fit in your tummy, can I fit in your tummy?
No
You
more.
did. You fit in my tummy.
Can I fit in your tummy now?
No.
No.
You're gonna wreck me.
Grab me. Grab me.
Oh, hi, girl.
Cindy can definitely fit in your tummy, Dad.
No.
Here, see?
No.
You want to put in tummy like this? Oh no! Wait, can I try, Mom?
Oh, bad. Oh, that's nice and sweet. This one.
Pink.
Hi, my big fat baby. Baby,
Oh, now it's chilly. You need your cardigan now.
Wow.
I mean, your blazer.
That is good. We didn't see animals.
May olives dyan, Manay. Have you had the olives, Dada?
Get to see them that much. Cucumber, Mom. Wait, cucumber.
This is not cute.
Cucumber. 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 Thank you. Mama,
Brownie? Which one? Brownie.
Mm.
Oh, yummy! I love you so much.
I need the egg. Huh? The egg.
Ayen.
Shed.
Lid.
Ham. Layo naman. You right?
Water.
No.
Did you try Amin?
Thank you. I did. This is weird, no?
Is it weird?
It's the oil is hard and then you can.
Yeah.
Mom,
Mhm.
It is weird.
Mom.
So what is it? Maybe the butter is hard as well.
Ah.
Ito mo na maganda dito. Camera. It's a, yeah.
Nakita lahat.
Happy day.
Happy day! Happy day!
Parang may tao sa loob.
Kaya nga, naririnig ko din.
Mom, is that someone's
They
house?
come out and say, what are
Mom.
you doing?
Get the fuck.
Happy
That's
day!
someone's house, Mom?
Wala?
Yeah.
Hi!
Hi, kung may nakikita ka?
No, the camera.
Hi, guys!
Mommy, are we allowed to have a
Have you tried the wine?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Mommy,
Cheers, guys.
are we allowed to have a picnic again?
Cheers.
Cheers, ate.
Are we allowed to have a picnic again?
Yeah.
You know what? There's a rag here. Do you wanna put it here? There's a rag here. Go here?
Oh,
Love you.
Sean. What's he do? Did I do my cobbles there? No.
Oh, you can sit there.
Go, Didi. Go, Didi.
Di, come on, sleep na.
Oh, that's nice.
Sleep here now.
Nice, my love.
It's a table.
Sleep. Ano sila?
We need to bring my almonds. Can I help?
Ito man din. Ano
Kaya nga,
yung gusto mo so far?
I like this.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
The brie. And ito, masarap. Ito, masarap to.
Di may
Tapos na pala kami sa winery. Dito naman kami sa Handorf.
I took off my jacket because it was getting hot.
Oh, siya. Kasi laro sila ng laro kanina. Okay, lakad-lakad na kami, guys. Naka-curse din yung isa. Busog ako dun sa ano namin, pika-pika namin. Hold ate, Yeah. So you walk together.
Wow! Candy shop. Can we go there?
Sobrang nag-enjoy pala kanina yung mga bata. Kami chika-chika lang. Shop, lolly shop.
Pulley. Which one is that the one? Mom.
What do you want? Okay, you can pay.
Can I get something? Please?
May Dubai dye.
I want this.
Okay. Hindi, akala ko. Akala ko lang. Asan si Ate Holly?
I'm getting all of these.
This, I think this is good.
I'm getting all of these. I've seen them.
I don't know.
Okay, so I'm getting.
Okay. Siya daw kasi magbabayad. Sabi ni Tita Riz, kunin niya ito lahat. Yeah. That's $1. That's very cheap. But that's yucky. I don't think so. It's good.
It's what you need.
No, it's not. No, that's not good.
I
That's
had
gross.
that at the airport.
Okay. Ang haba ng pila.
getting something.
Ito ang
He's not gonna
American.
like this. He doesn't like that. He got that before and he doesn't like it. You pay for everything? Babe,
Okay.
go get that one, Daddy. Get the big one at the top.
I like.
We're good. Yeah, no, we're good.
What do you guys say to Ate Holly?
Lucky. That one?
Have it now.
Yeah, later na, Baba. Kaya nga. Kasi pa-expired na
I just
yun.
want to eat this one too.
Okay. Kaya
Wait,
nga.
let me put that in the.
We should get the 50%. There's a lot of 50% there. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. You better eat it. Can you say something this for me?
Pokemon kasi. Si Pokemon ba yan?
For me? Mom.
Pikachu. Pokemon. Pokemon Pikachu. Ganda. Hey, we're gonna go together. Sabi ang dami nitong anak ah. Sino kaya ang nanay nito? Pasok kami dito sa ano, little shop. Oh, ito mga cute. Oh. Mga to. Ang cute, oh. Dito guys, second hand. From men's. Tingnan mo ang men's. Ano, tigisa tayo? Ang ganda ng chain. Ang ganda ng chain. Finally! Nakatawid na kami guys. Galing kami doon. And naglakad kami all the way here. Tapos, pabalik naman. Dito na kami titingin. May nabili ako sa antique shop. Mamaya pakita sa inyo. Gusto lang maupo ng mga bata kasi napagod sila.
Mommy, be careful.
Tingin tayo dito kay Agave. Antique ba to?
I want to look next door. You can
Okay. Hi. Good, thank you. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. I'm looking bigger for yeah.
Yeah, that's the biggest, unfortunately, that Puerto Rico.
Yeah, yung ano nila, yung measuring cup. Measuring cup.
For the egg.
I know. Ganda din. Ang dami magagandang or cute na mga pieces sila. This is nice too. You have nice stuff here.
Oh, I got it.
Homeware.
Hi.
Hi.
Mom.
Okay, go. Nice, no? The set. Nice. Hi. Good, thank you. Ito ganda kasi mahaba to sa atin.
I love your shoes.
Hi.
They're so cool. You're welcome.
Ito din ang cute. No, wide. Hi. Malambot. Nice. At saka short lang, mahaba.
Sa'yo hindi.
Mahaba. Ang kitagtatangkad nila. Nakasama pa pala to. Hi, Dee. What do you want, Dee? Don't sit there, ate. Dahil ang ganda nila kasi terno-terno. Tapos na tayo dito mag-walking sa Handor. Uwi na tayo guys. Anong oras na?
Can I try?
Yeah, 4:30. 4:30.
I got this juicy drop dummy and sticks, chewy sticks and sour gel.
Where you get it from? From Lolly Shop.
And I paid for eyelines and myself. So this is what it looks like. I already have one. There's dip, and then this is the stick where you dip it inside. It's so good. And it's chewy. This it's not as chewy, but I'll show you. You gotta be careful. Mom, in the rainbow, we have 7 colors.
Is it too sweet?
Just like in
What's the dip taste like? What's the
Apple.
dip? Apple.
A little sour. But it's really good. This is my first time trying it as well. I think this was $6.50.
$6.50.
Yeah. Bye.
Guys, mag-aalas daw sila 5 minutes to 12. And, naloka ako. Grabe yung kabog ng puso ko. Kasi pagdating namin, hindi ako nag-vlog. Tapos kwento-kwentuhan kami. Tapos umakyat ako, gumawa ng thumbnail. Tapos tinawag ni Ray para mag-dinner. Then, pag baba ko, nag-dinner ko ni Ray. Tapos kwento-kwento, nag-muskato na kami. And then, pag akyat namin, sabi matutulog na. Kung saan yung camera ko? Tapos nakadalawa o 3 beses na ako nakabalik doon sa car niya. Hindi ko talaga makita. Di ba sa likod kami? So, sinama ko si Olse ko, can you just check one more time? Doon sa mga gilid-gilid, wala. Tapos, wala. Tapos sabi ko, buksan mo yung yung car kasi doon natitiklop, yung isa. Sabi ko, buksan mo na lang yan. Yan na lang talaga yung last chance. Kasi wala sa kwarto, tinulungan ako ni Race, hindi talaga namin makita kahit sa kitchen. Pagbukas namin, andun kayo. Ano na kayo, na yung handle niya na wala na sa camera kasi nga naipit na siya. Nakatulog kasi ko on the way home. Tapos parang wala na. Lumabas na ako sa likod. Tapos kwentuhan saglit. Tapos umakyat ako para gumawa ng thumbnail. Tapos yun, hindi ko na naisip. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Ngayon, ayan na yung mga bata, guys. Ay, buti lang nahanap ko kaya. Tapos rinicall ko pa yung mind ko. Na alam ko nag-vlog ako kasi si Holly nag-vlog siya nung lolis niya on the way home. Tapos nakatulog nga ako sa car din. So, ay. Grabe yung kapag ng puzzle ko. Kasi marami pa akong clips marami pa akong vlogs dito sa sa SD card na to. I found it! I found it! Say hi, guys! Say hi, guys! Hoy! Hi, guys! Naka-PJs na ako na pambaba. Kung bigla ko kayong naalala, hinanap ko agad kayo. Wala kasi kayo sa bag ko. Say hello, guys. Oh, Dio, look. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Say hi.
Indian, we're allowed to have 2 pies. I'm sleeping here.
Are you? You're not going to your mom's room later?
I go to
Kasi lagi yung sinasabi matutulog siya dito. Pero ang ending, umalis pa rin siya sa kwartong to.
And I made that for him.
Yeah. Where are you sleeping, Ate? You're sleeping again with Ate Holly? Where's Ate Holly gonna sleep?
On the bed.
Ah, both of you? Ayaw niyang patulugin si Ate Holly dito. Gusto niya magkatabi sila. Okay. Oh. Where's Holly? Indy, where's Holly? Indy, ano naman pinagkukuha mo dyan?
I think I know where Holly is.
What's Indy getting there? Close? Other one, close? Okay. Oh, no, not that book. No. That's Ate Isla's school.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, get it, Ate. Get it.
Get to me.
Say,
I'm very worried.
yeah.
Dirty.
Wala na. Di! Harap ka ng books, Di. Sige. Okay. You want me to read it for you? Okay. My daddy. Okay. My daddy. Is it P? Okay. Read. My name is Peppa. Tawa-tawa siya. Let me see. Say, read it to the guys. He is the best daddy in the whole wide world. Kala mo nung nagbabasa talaga siya. Okay, bedtime. Okay, night-night. Say night-night. Asan na yung si Arlene. Can you say good night, guys? So please like. Dong. Say good night, guys. Please like. Please subscribe. If you haven't yet. Okay. Kuha siya ng mga, nagawa siya ng books. Bukas alis kami. Magpupul kami. Punta tayo kila Jaron to swim. Hanap siya ng swimwear kay Ate Holly. Alam mo naman dito, madami ditong stock.
Ito kay Arlo pa to.
Hala, laki. Yan, laki pa.
Pero pwede na to.
Ay, crunchy. Bilan natin dito sa Shein.
Ate Tijolis. Because I brought here. Yeah.
May swimsuit dun si na nilitan na ni Holly.
Yeah.
Here it is, girl. Ah, yeah.
6.
Yeah.
Oh no, it won't. Oh my gosh. Ah, wala.
Ayun ba?
Sige, try it on.
My dad. Good night, guys. Good night. Mom, say good night.
Good night.
Wait,
guys.
guys. You're doing the work.
Yeah,
Wait, can I see? So, come here. So, please like, thank you for watching our vlog, and please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Say good night. Good night.
Good night, guys. Good night. Good night, guys.
Good night. See you in the morning.
See ya.
Mwah.
If I could be your paradise.